Dogecoin cryptographic money with deference, as Doge is the ideal illustration of what can be accomplished on the off chance that a digital currency has solid local area support. Brought into the world as a web image, Dogecoin exhibits how a straightforward joke might increment in worth and come to a $88 billion market capitalization. We've gathered realities about the Dogecoin example of overcoming adversity and gave Doge cost expectation. This video might give some data on the subject of effective financial planning, yet it doesn't comprise venture exhortation. It is fundamental that you require the investment to completely assess your choices as a whole and do your own examination prior to going with any venture choices. Like that, you can expand the possibilities procuring a benefit from your speculations and limit the probability of enduring misfortunes. Our ongoing Doge to USD cost update shows the ongoing Dogecoin cost is 8 cents USD. Our latest Dogecoin cost figure shows that its worth will increment by 0.57% and reach 8 cents by April 18, 2023. Our investigation of the specialized pointers proposes that the ongoing business sector feeling is bullish -13%, with a trepidation and ravenousness list score of 68. Over the most recent 30 days, Dogecoin has had 15 30th green days and 8.37% cost unpredictability. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Dogecoin is $8 cents, and Doge is buy and buy position no. 9 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Dogecoin is $10,137,231,778.54, with a market cap of $132,670,764,300 Doge. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0 its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Doge has been in a decent vertical pattern, consequently expanding by 1.28%. Dogecoin has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Doge has expanded by 5.87%, adding a huge typical measure of $0 its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming that it keeps on developing. Dogecoin value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Dogecoin costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Dogecoin will be 10 cents. The most extreme level that the Doge cost can reach is 12 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 10 cents. Likely return for capital invested, 49.4% by Doge value conjecture for February 2023 in view of the value changes of Dogecoin toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical Doge pace of 8 cents in February 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 7 cents and at 8 cents individually. Expected return on initial capital investment, 1.1% by WAC 2023. Dogecoin value conjecture digital money specialists are prepared to report their gauge for the Doge cost in WAC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 8 cents, while the most extreme could reach 9 cents during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Dogecoin may be around 8 cents. Expected return for money invested, 6.9% by Doge value estimate for April 2023. Crypto examiners have actually looked at the value vacillations of Dogecoin in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal Doge rate they anticipate may be around 8 cents in April 2023. It can drop to 8 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 9 cents. Likely return for capital invested, 10.3% by May 2023. Dogecoin value estimate around mid-year 2023. The Doge cost will be exchanged at 9 cents overall. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Dogecoin worth to 9 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 8 cents in May 2023. Likely return on initial capital investment, 14.9% by Doge value gauge for June 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Dogecoin costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, 9 cents. The most minimal and top Doge rates may be 9 cents and 10 cents. Possible return for capital invested, 26.4% by July 2023. Dogecoin value estimate. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Doge cost will be around 9 cents. In July 2023, the Dogecoin cost might drop to at least 9 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 10 cents in July 2023. Likely return for money invested, 26.4% by Doge value figure for August 2023. Having broke down Dogecoin costs, digital currency specialists expect that the Doge rate could arrive at a limit of 10 cents in August 2023. It may, in any case, drop to 9 cents. For August 2023, the determined normal of Dogecoin is almost 9 cents. Likely return for capital invested, 26.4% by September 2023. Dogecoin value figure around mid-2023. The Dogecoin cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 9 cents. Crypto experts expect that in September 2023, the Doge cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of 9 cents and 11 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment, 37.9% by Doge value estimate for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Dogecoin worth won't dip under at least 9 cents. The most extreme pinnacle expected for the current month is 11 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 10 cents. Likely return for money invested, 37.9% by November 2023. Dogecoin value figure. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of Doge costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their conjecture is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Dogecoin will be around 12 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 10 cents. In November 2023, the normal expense will be 10 cents. Possible return for capital invested, 49.4% by Doge value estimate for December 2023. In light of the value changes of Dogecoin toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Doge pace of 10 cents in December 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 10 cents and at 12 cents. Separately, possible return for capital invested, 49.4% by Dogecoin value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Dogecoin in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Dogecoin will be around 15 cents. The most extreme expected Doge cost might be around 18 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 16 cents in 2024. Dogecoin value forecast 2025. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Dogecoin in 2025, Doge is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 23 cents and 27 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 24 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have dissected the costs of Dogecoin and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base Doge cost could drop to 33 cents, while its greatest can reach 40 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 34 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2027. In light of the examination of the expenses of Dogecoin by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least Doge costs are normal in 2027, 59 cents and 49 cents. By and large, it will be exchanged at 50 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually examining the variances of Dogecoin. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical Doge cost will be around 74 cents. It could drop to at least 71 cents. However, it actually could reach 87 cents all through 2028. Dogecoin value expectation 2029. Consistently, digital money specialists plan conjectures at the cost of Dogecoin. It is assessed that Doge will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.06 and $1.